Hello guys, thanks for joining me. This is Chogel speaking from Bhutan. If you have any problem with ad blocking controls, please leave your comments below. First of all, log into your Google AdSense account. Then go to ad blocking controls. Whenever I go to ad blocking controls, it says we apologize for the inconvenience, but we are unable to process your request at this time. Our engineers have been notified of this problem and will work to resolve it. I have been facing this problem for the last couple of days. In order to fix this problem, you have to turn off your ad blocker from your browser extension. So go to your browser extension and turn off your ad blocker. Now let's refresh this page. By now, you should be good to go. So guys, thank you so much for your time. Bye bye and see you next time.